try Replit. So let us open Replit, go to Replit's official website, and now let's give a prompt. So let's say I want to create a full stack web application which can manage my links. Okay, and let's give the name as, okay, application name should be, let's say, link parser or something like this. Now obviously the prompt isn't good. I can improve my prompt, and obviously this will improve my prompt. I don't need to learn prompt engineering. So let's see how the prompt will look like. Okay, the inspiration it's taking is raindrop.io, which is a good link managing software, and the prompt has been very well organized. So a full stack web application called link parser that helps organize, store and manage your personal collections of links efficiently. So it has some features and some design specific prompt. So let us start chat. Now obviously the Replit AI agent will take this prompt and it will try to create a plan. So it is in planning phase, and then after planning it will go to build phase. So currently it's making a plan. Obviously, like how junior developers work, when you give a requirement, then junior development will obviously come up with a plan and then ask several questions to you. This is how AI agents also work. So it has already looked at my prompt, not my prompt. It has looked to its own prompt, I guess. But okay, let's see how. Okay, so it has created a visual preview and it says link vault 2. I don't know why. I created a application using Replit AI agent before, but it gives the same name always every time. So okay, it's creating a visual preview, it's designing. So these are my features. So add new links, display links, edit, delete existing links, search, filter, and it should be responsive. Good. Category management, tag based organization. So it looks good for a basic link managing application. So it's currently designing the preview. So let it complete the design part. And while it's designing, there are some very good implementations of Replit AI agents. Some popular CEOs like Sundar Pichai, co-founder of LinkedIn, have spoken highly about Replit AI agent. But obviously there are some controversies. You might have heard Replit AI agent deleting the database. So obviously you need to keep things in mind while you're working with Replit AI agent. So what my suggestion would be, like, working with Replit AI agent, you should only use until you have a very good knowledge of the code base. So once the code base goes out of hand, then you should not use Replit AI agent. You should not trust it. You should trust on your knowledge, I would say. So it's creating design. So let's wait for it to complete this design. Okay, it's created the design. So let's look how the design looks. Let us open this big. So the design looks good, looks polished, it should be responsive as it said, and looks good. I'm absolutely fine with the design. So let's approve the plan and let it build the application. So obviously it will use that design as a reference and it will create some files, it will write code, and it will prepare database, it will push code to the database, and it will build the application. So let's let it build. It's creating schema.ts, which is the table definition. So it is using Postgres database and it is using Drizzle ORM to interact with the database. Also, it has created several tables like categories, links, insert category schema, insert link schema. So it has created some tables, and let us also see other files. So storage.ts, where it's I don't know what it's doing. I don't want to look at this. I'm a vibe coder right now. So it has created routes. So several endpoints. Some endpoints good. I think it's handling all the logics. Obviously these are very basic logic handling, but I don't care. I just want to look at the end result. So let us wait. Let it build the application. It's created tailwind.config.ts, it's created app.tsx, so currently it's using React, and it's creating home.tsx. Okay, Anyway, I doubt it will create exactly what it's given here. Let's see. So okay, I think it's finished building. So it is installing dependencies. It says reviewing your messes. I think now it will push the data to the database. Or am I wrong? Okay, it puts the data to the database, and now it should start the server, and then we should be able to interact with the application. Creating replit.md file. Okay, it took a screenshot of the final application. So let's see the screenshot. Okay, the application is ready. I don't even need to look at the screenshot. Or is it not ready? It says it is ready, but okay, it got some error. So it is internally again reapplying the fixes, and then it is building it again. So okay, good. I don't need to give prompt saying that something is wrong. It is analyzing on its own, and it is rebuilding the application. So it has edited several files, index.css, storage. Okay, it's editing every file. Vibe coding is hard. And by the way, you have might already known that I'm not a big fan of vibe coding. I like to do things on my own. I'm a very traditional developer. Okay, it's restarting the application. Now I should be able to interact with my application. So let's see. The application is now running successfully. Let me check how your link parser application looks and functions. So this is the final application, but it's still working. So I think it's not ready. It took a screenshot, but it's saying it's reviewing my message. So let us wait for a bit. Okay, now the agent is ready. So the application seems to be ready. Let us open this in a new tab. Now this is giving me a URL from which the application opens. So let us try to use this application. Now, okay, it has the sidebar where the favorites, recent archive, popular tags. How these are the popular tags? I haven't created any link. Okay, I can give benefit of doubt. So let us add the first link, and obviously CSS is not good, you can see, but I'll leave it with. So I give URL of my channel, and I can give title as YouTube, and this. Okay, I accidentally hit enter, but it has created the link. Now I will edit this. I will write subscribe, and let me add category. Okay, it says the category is mandatory, but it added the link, so I don't know what to say. So let's save the changes, and it has added the link. So let me click this. Okay, works. So let us mark this as favorite, and okay, there is one favorite. Okay, good. Looks good, but there are functionality issues obviously. So let us give one suggestion to this AI agent. Let's say the category is mandatory, so let us give feedback to the AI agent. The category is mandatory, but currently, even if I don't provide the category, the link is being saved. Okay, so let's see how it does. Let's see how it takes my feedback and works on it. AI agent is supposed to take feedback and then work on it, and then obviously the loop goes on, taking feedback, reapplying the suggestions, and then improving the application. This is the typical workflow of AI agent. So you can see it says you're right, the category field shows as required with an asterisk, but it is not being validated. Let me fix the validation to make category mandatory when creating and editing links. So it's working on it. So let's let it finish. So looks like it has restarted the application, took a screenshot. I don't need the screenshot now, just do it already. So okay, Okay, if I want to roll back, I can even roll back. So it has made a perfect checkpoint. Good. It is done very good here. I like it. So let's open this in the new tab, and this previous link won't work. Good. And let us look at how it did basically. So let's see. Okay, my previous link is gone. So now let me create a new link. So YouTube, and description can be anything. Now if I try to add this, okay, now it's required. So it has taken the feedback very well. So let us mark this as learning. Let us add the link. Okay, the link has been added, and I can filter this. So favorites only. If I have done favorites only, but this link is still showing. This is not a good sign. AI agent, Replit AI agent. So okay, I can live with it. It's good. The UI looks polished. It's good. The link is working, barely working, but obviously it cannot handle some complex stuff like rate limiting, API limiting, and all of these security issues.